If you want to power off or restart your OPPO Reno 15 Pro, but you don't want to use those physical buttons on the right side, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to go to Quick Settings or the Control Center. You can use this pen icon at the top of the panel and then use this plus in the upper left corner. Now over here we can scroll down and we need to search for the power off button. In my case it is already added. I already have it on my list. There we go. So once you add it, we can tap on done. And we can tap on the power off button to open the power menu, and we can slide down or up to power off or restart our phone. And the second method is to go to settings. And then over here in settings, we can scroll down and go to accessibility and convenience. And then over here, proceed to accessibility. And then we're gonna go to the accessibility menu and we need to enable this shortcut. Tap on allow, and then over here we can tap on these three dots in order to find the power button. So you can go over here and we can do exactly the same thing. Leave a like and subscribe.